So I'm really welcome guys, this is a new series that I'm gonna do. Actually, I am moving to a new place and I wanted to show you guys the step it took me to move to these places. Okay, let's start with my apartment too. So this is pretty empty, so let me walk with you guys. So the most empty spot, so I will be able to shop for food. It's here fully mover. So this is my bed. It's a studio. See, and you see everything is empty. Those books over there, I will get a shelf for them. As you move from this side table to the other side table, I have all those magazines. They'll show me huge. Rich Bachelor of Femme, Smithsonian, everything waiting. And you have the DVD because I'm a little bit old school. So this is what I was able to do so far. It's a little bit messy down, but so far I was able to organize a little bit of my clothes in the back. Everything. So as you come, you see there's a lock. You see here, it's a studio. It's a small place for myself, really. The chair is coming, the TV is coming. So we take time. Let's go to the bathroom. And this is my little bathroom. I will show you guys this place again. One thing I'm getting so much better. They will probably gonna have it. I will put the thing inside the bathroom, and so far I have put this with some product, and under you can see this. So let me walk you into my closet. A little bit organized, a little bit messy closet. So far I was able to organize my little closet. So as you can see on the top, we have all those bags. I will make them look better with time, but so far, like, moving is not easy. Everything is in the big bag, you have to organize. So the other day I was there, it was my second day actually, because the first day I only dropped stuff. The second day I actually start walking. So I start organize my jacket and everything, winter coat to a little bit lighter coat, and so that's my graduation touch. And then on the top here, I haven't put anything yet, so I will figure what to put. But you see my hat, I'm a big lover of hats, so I have so many hats. I didn't notice that I have more than 20 hats, and I have to wash them all and make them look nicer. And then on the second section, you can see I have some of my t-shirts and dresses, traditional clothes, other t-shirt, okay, more clothes, not the t-shirt, how do we call that, dress shirt and skirt. On the bottom part you have jeans, and you have pants, you have scarf, and you have more scarf and another sweatband. And on the bottom part I will wash those clothes again, and on the bottom part you have like a bag, another bag, and the bag for my guitar, or the bag again. You have this for my clothes, and you have some of my wig. I will find best organize the backpack. So far this is what I've been doing, and some of my little suitcase, the small and the big one, and I have envelope destiny to organize. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I will like we do little by little. I'm already proud of this place for like actually remove all my clothes for the suitcase and organize them, making them nicer. That makes I hurt my feet. That means it's a little bit better when I come here. It look better when I walk from there. This place that you see right now, okay, don't mind this cable. It's for my projector, so I want to try to watch a movie, but girl doesn't have internet yet. So all those books, we actually go on the shelf. I put them over there. I will buy a chair to put them in those backpack. I have more stuff to organize. Day 3 is empty. The place is empty. I didn't buy stuff, but life is good. I'm proud of this step of my life. I know I still have a long way to go, but I promise you by the time I finish this video, this place will be full.